Good afternoon to every one of us, especially to you, ma'am. My report is about database design. Database design is the process of producing a detailed data model of a database. Could also be used to apply to the overall process of designing not just the base data structures, but also the forms and queries used as part of the overall database application within the database management system, or the DBMS. Database design is the process of producing a detailed data model of a database. This logical data model contains all the needed logical and physical design choices and physical storage parameters needed to generate a design in a data definition language, which can then be used to create a database. A fully attributed data model contains detailed attributes for its entirety. The term database design can be used to describe many different parts of the design of an overall database statement. When doing a database design, the first thing we consider is the design process. Design process is the process of database design. Generally consists of a number of steps which will be carried out by the database designer. Usually, the designer must determine the data to be stored in the database. The second one, determine the relationships between the different data elements. The third one is superimpose a logical structure upon the data on the basis of these relationships. Determine the data to be stored in the database. In a majority of cases, the person who is doing the design of a database is a person with expertise in the area of database design, rather than expertise in the domain from which the data to be stored is drawn. Example, financial information, biological information, etc. Therefore, the data to be stored in the database must be determined in cooperation with a person who does have expertise in that domain and who is aware of what data must be stored within the system. The second one, determine the relationship between the different data elements. Once a database designer is aware of the data which is to be stored within the database, they must then determine how the various pieces of that data relate to one another. When performing this step, the designer is generally looking out for the dependencies in the data where one piece of information is dependent upon another. Example, when one piece of information changes, the other will also. For example, in a list of names and addresses, assuming the normal situation where two people can have the same address, but one person cannot have two addresses. The name is dependent upon the address because if the address is different, then the associated name is different too. The third one, superimpose a logical structure upon the data on the basis of this relationship. Once the relationship and dependencies amongst the various pieces of information have been determined, it is possible to arrange the data into a logical structure which can then be mapped into the storage objects supported by the database management system. In case of relational databases, the storage objects are tables which store data in rows and columns. This is the example of the database. Table, dealer, field name, description, width, and data type. In the field name, ID, name, age, gender, address, email, credit, photo, add credit, and sub-credit. In the description, identification number, distributor name, age, gender, address, email, credit, photo, add credit, and sub-credit. In width, example is 50, 250, 200, and 200. In data type, text, text number, text, text, text number, and so on. That's all. My report.